Hello and welcome to this video on the steps to becoming an airline pilot. If you've always dreamed of flying high in the sky and being in charge of a commercial airliner, then this video is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Research and choose a flight school. The first step to becoming an airline pilot is to research and choose a flight school. You'll need to enroll in a Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, approved flight training program. Look for a school that offers a structured program and provides training in different types of aircraft. Step 2. Obtain a private pilot license. Once you've chosen a flight school, the next step is to obtain a private pilot license. You'll need to complete a minimum of 40 hours of flight training, which includes 20 hours of flight with an instructor and 10 hours of solo flight. You'll also need to pass a written exam and a practical exam. Step 3. Build flight hours. After obtaining your private pilot license, you'll need to build flight hours. The FAA requires airline pilots to have a minimum of 1,500 flight hours. You can build flight hours by working as a flight instructor, doing aerial survey work, or flying cargo planes. Step 4. Obtain a commercial pilot license. Once you've built up enough flight hours, you'll need to obtain a commercial pilot license. This requires additional training and includes a written exam and a practical exam. Step 5. Obtain an airline transport pilot license. The final step to becoming an airline pilot is to obtain an airline transport pilot, ATP, license. This requires even more flight training and experience. You'll need a minimum of 1,500 flight hours, including 500 hours of cross-country flight time and 100 hours of night flight time. Becoming an airline pilot requires dedication, hard work, and a love of flying. But with the right training and experience, you can achieve your dream of piloting a commercial airliner. Thanks for watching, and we wish you all the best in your aviation career.